Today we'll be talking about the power of hydrogen peroxide, how you can use hydrogen peroxide to remove the dark neck fold under the arm, in your groin area, in between your thighs. Believe me, it works. So let's get into the video. Guys, welcome. I just want to sit down. Thank you guys for stopping by today. If you are not subscribed, do me a favor, click that red button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And also don't forget to let me know that you visited my channel by just leaving me a comment, and also give this video a thumbs up. So first of all, before we talk about the dark neck, let us try to understand why people really have dark neck. Don't be thinking that it's only diabetic people that have dark neck. Let me tell you what this is called. I'll tell you the causes of this, and then I'll tell you the things that you need to do to change your dark neck. Also, some people have some fold under their armpit and it becomes darkens and it smells so awful. So this hyperpigmentation is said to be called acanthosis nigricans. Acanthosis nigricans. It's a skin condition that causes dark discoloration in the folds and crease of body, typically seen in the armpit, neck, and groin. And the affected skin can also become thickened and may smell bad. So the first thing you need to do is, in a nutshell, the first thing you need to do is to start eating a whole lot of leafy green vegetables, and also decrease the white sugar in your food. Decrease the natural sugar in your food. Some fruits naturally have some natural sugar that might not be good for your condition, for your skin condition. Also remember to exercise. But however, if you feel that your own is being caused by your medical condition, is causing your own issue, please remember to go and seek medical attention right away. However, I want to show you how effectively you can use hydrogen peroxide 3% grade to remove or to decrease the darkness on those folds. Please go back again and watch the first video I did about the wonders of hydrogen peroxide, where I really narrowed everything down and I showed before and after very effectively in that video. So please do not forget to go there and watch that video. So if you really fall into this condition, what you need to do is to get 3% hydrogen peroxide food grade. I am using only 1 teaspoon. And I will also, hydrogen peroxide is excellent. It's good for the skin. It's antiseptic. It's good to clean and treat the cuts and burns on your skin. So do not be afraid when it comes to applying hydrogen peroxide on your skin, because we use it for medical purposes. There are so many advantages and so many uses of hydrogen peroxide. So I put 1 here. And I will put ½ teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda will also empower and facilitate the sloughing of the first layer of your skin, the darkness on that skin. And you need a squeeze of lemon. When you squeeze it in, it bubbles. And what you need to do is to take this and you're gonna rub it on the area where you have those skin pigmentation folds. You're gonna rub it, and then you will leave it for at least 10 minutes on the area where you think that is affected. After leaving it for about 20 minutes, you can wash it off with lukewarm water do this most especially at night, because lemon is very photosynthesis. You don't want to burn your skin, so do this at night. You can try doing this 3 times a week. It will help to remove the dark neck on your dark neck, underarm, and between your groin, or in between your thighs. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing. You can watch the full video of this hydrogen peroxide in the first comment box. It's a related video, and that video is going viral. So somebody left me a message and wanted me to add some things in this video, the things that I mixed. I missed some information on the first video, so this is kind of why I am repeating this, to add really why your neck could be discolored. So guys, thank you so much for your time, and thank you for subscribing. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.